Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a workflow rule in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the setup here and we click on setup. And basically, we need just to search for workflow rules. So just type workflow in the quick find section and click on workflow rules. And from there, we will be able to start creating our workflow rules. And from here, I'm just going to click on new rule and create in the flow builder if you want uh, them. And basically, from here you can start create your flows in the builder since from the latest updates, the workflows are disabled or you cannot create new ones. So just create a flow instead. And from there, you can start from scratch or use templates on whatever your requirements is. So for example, you can create cases or chat routed to agents and queues, etc. etc. So let's, for example, use this template. I'm just going to create, and from here you can start uh, schematizing or having your flow, and you can test it by clicking on start. You will see on how would that work, and you can start activating your flow when you finish. So from here, I'm just going to click on save, for example, and give it a name, my test flow, for example. And after that, you will need just to fill in these informations and click on uh, test, my test, and then I'm just going to click on save. And since this is a template, you need just to edit from it, etc. And basically, you need just to start creating your flow on however you would like it. And as you can see, you can manage all the criterias, you can manage all the cases, and then you can also add any other automation. And then you will need just to click on save. You run it so you can test it first, and then you can activate it if you want, or just save it as a template. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.